getting wind gusts to tropical storm force here on Tampa Bay, St. Petersburg, as low pressure forms off the east coast of Florida, and there's a tight pressure gradient between that low and high pressure further north. So that's creating big windy conditions. And there's these squalls coming across the state of showers. You can see one over Tampa right now. And these squalls are producing big wind gusts. So yeah, we're gonna have gusting well over 30 miles per hour, gusting to 40 easily as these squalls come through.